Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, remember that what I'm sharing is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Huntington Bank and its online services at huntington.com. Navigating the Huntington website is generally a straightforward process. The homepage offers a clear layout, making it easy to find key features such as online banking login, branch and ATM locator, and information on various products and services. Whether you're looking for personal banking solutions, small business resources, or commercial banking options, Huntington's site presents these choices in an accessible manner. The site's navigation bar guides users through different sections, categorizing offerings into easily understandable groups like checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and investing. Further exploration reveals dedicated areas for learning about specific products, such as Huntington's *free checking, which boasts no monthly maintenance fee. You'll also find detailed information about their savings accounts, including APYs, minimum balance requirements, and other relevant details. Huntington.com also provides resources for managing your finances, such as budgeting tools and financial planning advice. The site emphasizes security, highlighting measures taken to protect customer information and accounts. For existing customers, the online banking portal offers convenient access to account balances, transaction history, bill pay, and other account management features. Potential customers can explore various financial calculators available on the site to help estimate loan payments, savings growth, and other financial projections. Huntington also provides contact information readily accessible through the website, offering various channels for customer support, including phone numbers, email addresses, and frequently asked questions. Overall, Huntington's website strives for a user-friendly experience, combining accessibility with the information necessary to make informed financial decisions. While the exact features and benefits can change, this overview gives you a solid starting point for understanding what Huntington.com has to offer. Remember to always conduct your own thorough research before making any financial decisions.